My name's Malachi Price. I'm a trainee site manager.
Amazing. How have you found the course so far? How are you enjoying it?
It's been really good. It's one of those things that really opens your mind up to different possibilities. Like previously, especially when you're working in a job, you're 9 to 5, you get comfortable in that life and you're used to the casual things, the casual way of living. And being here, you see a bunch of people who's escaped that life and not only escaped it, but telling you that it's possible. So it's really inspirational.
Excellent. And in terms of Samuel and the team, how's it been working with them?
Yeah, it's been great. Even Samuel, Russell as well. We had some issues packaging deals, and we just went to Russell and was like, "What do you think of this?" Pointed out exactly what we should keep, what we should get rid of, and even the training advisors like Tyrone, Deborah really helped us out. Yolanda as well. Any opportunity that they have to help us, they just take it. So it shows that they actually care about the process. It's not just people being here for the sake of being here. You know what I mean?
Excellent. In terms of what your next steps are in property, what are your goals?
Well, my goals now is to sell all the deals that I've packaged at this course. I've found one investor whilst being here, so hopefully we can get it over the line with him. From there, for me, it's all about scaling. What's the next step? Getting more money in. I just want to grow my brand as well.
Incredible. And final question, someone looking to get into property, what would you recommend?
I'd just say go book a £1 crash course. What's £1 to anyone? Like, you spend £1 easily these days, but people won't spend it on their education, and I think that's quite daft in my opinion. So spend that £1 even if you don't like it, even if you think, oh yeah, it's not for me, but it's an experience.